Well, hello there. It's the 31st of July of 2023. My name is Jim, and welcome to Paradise Valley, Montana. Me and a good friend of mine are going to go out to some BLM land outside of town and do a little shooting with a real decked up, legal, mind you, real decked up 12-gauge shotgun and a Kalashnikov. You know what a Kalashnikov is? Kind of like an AK-47, but it's legal. All these firearms are legal, so I don't want no crap about this, because I'm gonna publish this file because I want my Second Amendment rights. I earned them. I'm a Vietnam veteran. So come along with me, folks. Thank you very much. See you on down the trail. Yeah, okay, Sam and I are sitting out here. See, it'd be southeast of Livingston, out on some BLM land, and we got a target set up there, and he's going to be taking a rifle. I'll show you here in a second, but it's a Kalashnikov, and he's going to be peppering that target there, and so that's what we're up to next. Okay, Sammy, what do you got there as far as that piece goes?
Right here?
Yeah.
AK-47.
It's an AK-47 made by who?
Palmetto State Armory.
Okay, totally legal, correct?
Absolutely legal, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So it has the collapsible underfolder stock,
Yeah,
which works with a magazine.
Oh, that's
inserted.
nice. I like that. And the old Russian round too. The 7.62 by 39, correct?
7.62 by 39.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. And Sam here, my buddy Sam, he's out of West Yellowstone. He was working not very far from where that lady got killed by a grizzly bear. So this is what us old boys up here in Montana do when it comes to grizzly bears. Okay, you gonna shoot Sam, are you?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I think my front sight's way off. So,
Okay.
So I'm not gonna get any accuracy out of this thing today.
Okay. Okay, open fire, like I used to say in the service. You high, Sam?
Not sure.
I can feel that recoil over here. How many rounds that thing got, Sam?
The standard mag is a 30 round.
Well, Sammy was doing pretty good here. He was shooting off-handed, no rest, and all that. So this is what his Kalashnikov did on the first 30 round clip. Okay. Repeat your little discussion that you had with me, Sam, about stocks and all that.
Well, this rifle is perfectly legal because it's classified as a rifle. So even though this stock does fold, it is still a rifle.
Yeah.
In the legal terms.
I don't want any of my reviewers getting all mixed up on this, because you bought that like that, correct?
Yep, and it came stock.
Yeah, I can see the ATF and the FBI are getting all squirrely about these firearms with no stocks on them, short stocks, all that kind of stuff.
Right.
So we're legal, guys. You hear that? Legal.
When you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
You ready?
Ready?
Let her go. I didn't have it on slow mo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, on that Kalashnikov that Sam and I got running out there, that's not a sawed-off illegal piece. It's got a collapsible stock on it that came with it from Palmetto Armory. So that piece has never been altered in any shape, manner, or form. I want to make that disclaimer. And up next is coming a shotgun. You guys want to stay tuned for that. This is the wildest shotgun you ever seen in your life. I kid you not. Very well, then. I got Sam cornered here with his famous shotgun. What kind of a shotgun do you have there, Sam?
Well, I call this my Mossberg 590 Overkill.
590?
It started its life as just a Mossberg 590, and I got a heat shield for it, changed out the pump furniture to the Streamlight with a built-in LED flashlight. I put a swivel sling mount, which also had some Picatinny for an additional laser light combo, and that lets me use the bayonet lug in addition to having a sling on it at the same time.
And he does have a bayonet for this too.
I gave myself a quick shell holder so I can just quickly grab and pop a shell into the chamber.
This is what we use for grizzly bears up here in Montana, by the way.
Of course, I've got a Velcro stick-on side saddle. I've got a littler one right on the edge of the pouch. Inside the pouch, 5 more shells for slugs or something specialty. And the stock itself holds 5 extra shells in addition to that.
Nice.
And with the 8-round magazine tube and one in the chamber, a total of 30 rounds capacity.
Yeah, 30 rounds capacity on this, guys. You seeing that? And it weighs 15 pounds. I'm going to call it almost 18 because I don't know how, my scales at home, Sam, I don't know how good they are. So.
And as said, it has a bayonet lug, so it can take either a M7 or M9 bayonet.
Yeah, there you go. That there's a bar gun, you know, if I ever seen one. All legal. There's nothing illegal about this piece. I want to make sure I've got this disclaimer going. Okay, Sam's going to shoot this and I'm going to do some recording. Right, Sambo?
Oh, yeah.
Right on. Okay, here's a Mossberg 590 Overkill. Get down there, Sammy. Yeah. 30 rounds total that guy can get out of that thing. Okay, Sammy, get with it. Get with it, Sam. Okay, sorry about the wind out here, ladies and gentlemen, but that's the end of this movie file. Sam and I thank you for coming and visiting us here in Livingston, Montana. And no gophers or squirrels or groundhogs were hurt in the production of this film. We were just out here blasting dirt and stuff like that. So, you know, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we shall see you on down the pike. Take care of yourself. And oh, before I go, if you like what you see here, sign up for my program. I won't bite. And then give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, give me the love finger. You know what I'm talking about? Sure you do. Adios, my friends.